Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to our seminar. Today we're going to show you how Rev Daily Traders trade, okay? This week it was our first video of weekly forecast, okay? How are we going to do this weekly forecast? We're going to focus on the pairs that are able to give us a trade, okay? Are the ones that we're going to focus. We're not going to focus the whole currency pairs, okay? Many currency pairs. Going to focus on the currency pairs that we're going to trade the following week. So back to our today's seminar. Today we're going to teach you how Rev Daily Traders trade, okay? You can say their strategy. I hope this will help you to achieve your goals. This will help you to know trading. It's easy if you practice it, okay? Let's go to our chart. Remember, when you want to become a trader, there are two things that you should do. You should be patient with the market and with yourself. Be patient all the time because the market needs you to be patient, okay? And second thing, you need to be disciplined in the market, and personally, you should be disciplined, okay, guys? So here we're going to show you how we trade as Rev Daily Traders, okay, guys? Our strategy allows us to start on monthly, okay? When we start from monthly, things that we are looking for, we're looking for RS, we call it SRS, resistance and support. We look for our patterns. We look for our direction on monthly, okay? All this, we start from monthly time frame, okay, guys? It's where you start to look for your direction, pattern, and RS. We're going to show you how we draw our trend lines, how we look for a pattern, how we look for a direction, okay? So, on monthly, all we do as Rev Daily Traders, let me remove. Okay. First thing, if you are a first learner or a trader that is new on trading, okay? When we say we use RS, we are saying on the market, okay, take this one aside. We look for, we take our horizontal line and put it there, and take another one here, and take another one there. All we want, or to confirm our horizontal line, we want many bounds on this line. I'll show you on the market. Even here on our roof, We'll say this is our roof, this one. Okay, we look for many bounds on our roof, even though on our floor, because when it breaks with a nice candle going up, this become our support. This one, okay, become our support. So here at Daily Traders, what we do, I'll show you how we trade, okay? Remember, I said we look for many pounds, then we confirm our horizontal line, okay? So I'll start from, we'll use this part. Remember, we are on monthly. I said we start at monthly to analyze our chart. When you open a new chart, you go to, when you want to use our strategy, you go to monthly, then you'll follow up when the times goes. If I'm done by showing you how we trade on Rev Daily Traders, okay? So I will look at this high, okay? And take this high and look for another one that's going to bounce straight there, okay? Then I will take even this one, okay? Here, I will take this low, this low, this low, then the horizontal will continue to be like that, okay? Even here, the horizontal will continue to be like this. Remember, we are on monthly time frame. So we're going to have maybe 4 or 3 horizontal lines, okay? Even here, I will take this one, take this one, to bounce here, to bounce here, still in bounce, bounce there, bounce here, and bounce there, okay? Then expect to bounce here, bounce there, bounce there when the horizontal continues, okay? I'm going to show you how the horizontal will be placed after all this. Now I'm showing you how we recognize our RS, okay? Then even here, we'll say, okay, let's see if we take this one, bounce, bounce there, bounce there, bounce there, bounce here. Okay, then we'll take our horizontal like this. Okay, let me show you those points when we took our horizontal. Okay, take our horizontal here. We'll make this straight and the color I like to make something that is invisible, that is not going to distract us when we trade, okay? Take here. Remember, we can look this one as our bounce, bounce, bounce there. Take this one as our bounce here. Take this one as our new high. Okay. Even here at the lower one, we can say this one. Right. Let me lock. Then we lock our horizontal lines. Okay. We lock all the horizontal line. Why are we doing this? we are not going to move these horizontal lines anymore. These are going to help us in future, okay? If you can check on our horizontal line, this part and this part, they are bit in the same length, and even this one is much bigger a bit, okay? So we like to place our horizontal like this, okay guys? Then after drawing our horizontal lines, what we look for? We look for a bigger pattern on monthly time frame, okay? Then from there, we're going to take our horizontal lines, okay? Not our horizontal line, our trend line. Okay, guys? Then we're going to place it from here to put it there, okay? Then we start here, inner trend line, put it there. Then we watch for our impulse as a basic thing, impulse correction, okay? Then we take this one as a bigger impulse. Now we are in bigger impulse. Now we are in a corrective move pattern, okay? So now what we are going to do here, as we got this nice impulse, we're going to take our trend line, put it across here, take a trend line, put it across there, okay? Then from here, this one is going to take a long way, okay? So we're going to remove it and leave this one because it's in a play, okay guys? Then from now on, we move to, after we got our impulse and this correction. We are still in this correction and we should figure out how we're going to get out on this pattern, okay? So when we figure out that we got this part of our roof and this part of our floor, it gives us something to say if the market is going to come here, come and test here, then we might have this impulse, okay? Another part that we're going to see from monthly, remember we are still in a monthly, okay? This needs you to practice more to do this strategy, okay? After seeing this part and this part and this part, that we are having a channel here, then we go to inner of the trend of the pattern that we got there, okay? Then we take our trend line here and have it here, okay? Let me remove this ones. Remove this ones. Okay, we're going to say, how about USD CAD being on this channel, okay? Remember, on wave strategy that if you get an impulse, then you correct. It's easy that we're going this way, okay? So now what we're going to anticipate is to get a correction here. Then we move to this part. Okay? Then we're going to take our direction that is going to face right there, okay? Because we are looking at uptrend because of this correction we have. And remember, we are still in the bigger correction here of this impulse. We might get one and go. Then we're going to have this flat formation, okay? It's how we look at our monthly. We're going to anticipate that the market is going to give us, let's say, a monthly flat like this. Then it takes off. Okay. Then it takes off. Okay. The same length as this one. Okay. Right. After we show our pattern on monthly, we move to weekly to see if the market is ready on weekly, okay, for this uptrend that we see on monthly. Then we move our trend lines well, okay. Remember, on monthly we are looking for our up move, okay. On our monthly. Right, on weekly, we will take this as a impulse, then correction to go and test this part. Okay, guys? So, right now, weekly and monthly, they look the same, okay? But if you squeeze your chart like this and see if there's maybe a different pattern, but we don't see a different pattern, okay? We might test this high, then we go down, okay? We might do that, okay, guys? Then on day, what we're going to do here is to see if the market is ready or not to move lower. Right. Remember, we are having this monthly RS, okay? That we can see that on daily, we got many touches here, okay? Many touches that respected this RS. That means it's valid RS, okay? I will show you on the next video how we use this RS to our advantage for patterns. Okay, guys, how we take our trade for a confluence. Okay, at the moment we are having this impulse, correction, impulse. Are we having another correction here? Is what most traders get confused. Okay, then here at Daily Traders, what we are doing, we know that if we get such price action, we might have this bigger correction here to take off to high. Okay, so how we going to see if the market is going to give us a correction? We are not going to enter a trade here or here, okay? But you can on lower time frame if you want to buy here to give us to test this high, okay? Then from high of this roof, then you have to check whether the price action will give you something here to go down again, okay? Then from floor, then you have to look for a price action again that is going to take you higher. Right. On daily, it's not a clear pattern if you are a new trader. This will confuse you on what to do. Okay? Then you'll shift to a lower time frame. Lower time frame, what we are having here, we are having this reversal pattern, okay? Then we broke out of this floor, okay? After this floor, we had 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5. Then we might get one more down here, okay? On this one more down, what we are looking for, we'll be looking at this pattern as a correction. Remember, on daily, it's a correction to go up, okay? To go up to test this high. So what we're going to do on 4 hour, remember we are teaching you how we tackle the market. What we're going to do on 4 hour, we're going to wait for the market to give us this high. Then from top of our roof, we're going to look for price action, whether it's going to give us another one more down, okay? Remember this line, it's our monthly RS, okay? So we might have now, if we squeeze our chart, we might have a correction like this. We might have impulse, then we correct here, then we go, then we correct here, then we go, okay? This part, the reversal pattern, okay? So we might have here this up move to finish there, then we go down here, right? If the market tends to do what we see, like up there, then we go down, we're going to have such pattern. Then we go up as we predict the market on bigger time frame, day, weekly, and monthly, okay? We are going to look for continuation patterns, okay, guys? It's all we're going to look for. So at the moment, we'll be having this pattern. On top of our roof here, look for down side. Then from 1.3147, you're going to look for buys, okay? Going to look for buys to go up. Okay, guys? Then on lower time frame, to see if we're going to have this one more down, then on 1 hour, if you can't see clearly, you should move to lower time frame to get those patterns you know, okay? Right. On this 30-minute time frame, it can be a choppy one, but if you know your patterns, you see that the market tends to give us an impulse, okay? Then it's 1, it's 2, then you'll be having this one. I know I'll be kind of doing magic, but it's not a magic. When you know your patterns, you'll say the market will give you such patterns, okay? The patterns that you know, okay? Then from there, going to give us high. This high, okay? Now, when I say to you on this top of our roof, you watch for price action there, okay? This you're going to watch on 30 minutes, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes to give us one more down here. Okay, guys? Don't be confused here. This pattern, it's impulse, it's 1, 2, 3, okay? It's a 3-wave structure to give us one more up move there. Then on 15 minutes, it's going to be clearer how we see this pattern, okay? 5 minutes, right? On 5 minutes, we might have to test straight away without having one more down, okay? Shows us that it has this impulse. Then we are in a correction move that is in making, okay? that we got, you should get one more up. Let me get for you. You might get on this correction one more up there. Then it's going to be impulse 1, 2, 3, 3 structure. Then we come there. Let me show you clean. Remember, this is 5 minutes, okay? Because on 5 minutes we have this pattern that is still in making. This smaller correction should break up here, okay? Then from there, and get one more down. We are not trading on 5 minutes, but we start our trade when we get on our roof or floor. To use 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I will show you guys on our video that shows you how to enter early, okay? So at this moment, will be waiting for this breakout, okay, to happen up here. So we have this one more down. Then from here, we go up. Then we'll be having this pattern to go down. We are not going down. We are not going down at the moment, but at the moment, as I showed you on lower time frames, that we are still going to complete this pattern, okay? Should be completed by today and tomorrow, okay? By today, I think. Yes, by today. Should be completed. Then from top, we watch our price action to give us something that we know, okay? We know impulse and correction, okay? So it's how we enter on our 5 minutes. But I will show you cleanly on our video that is going to be specific, straight for how you enter on lower time frame, okay? So this is how we tackle the market, okay guys? Thank you for being with us. Thank you for looking at this video. Hope it will help you to trade like a pro. But if you don't understand for the first time, go back to this video and start it afresh and listen carefully how we take on the market, okay? Because this is an easy way to tackle the market, to start on monthly, weekly, day, 4-hour, 8-hour, H1 to lower time frames, okay? It's how we take on the market. So guys, thank you for today. I will see you next time. Hope this video will improve your trading. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like or comment. Your likes and comment will keep us doing more videos for you guys. Hope this will be not the last time for us to do this video. Hope to continue doing this video. Okay guys, thank you for today. Have a nice day, and remember, trade with care. Ciao guys.